Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Priya and today I will be doing this gorgeous yet subtle Diwali makeup tutorial and we'll be chit-chatting about why we celebrate Diwali. If you want to see how I created this beautiful look, stay with me, watch till the end, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that bell button. I've already done my eyebrows off camera using the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade M900, and I've also used the NYX Sculpt and Highlight Brow Contour Pencil in the shade Golden Peach and Black. For my eyeshadow base today, I will be using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer to prime my eyelids, and this gorgeous Sultry eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The shades which I'll be using today is Twig as my transition shade, Dystopian as the darker shade for the outer corner of my eyelids, and Fresh for the inner corner of my eyes. And now while I apply my eyeshadow, let's chit chat a little bit. So everybody knows that when we talk about Diwali, all we think about are lots of beautiful colors, loads of lights and diyas, and lots of food and sweets and fireworks. Growing up in Fiji Islands, I remember we had lots of fun, and preparations would start from weeks before the actual Diwali day. For many different cultures, there's many different amazing reasons behind celebrating Diwali. However, for us, Diwali is a festival of lights, and on the day off, after prayers, we light lots of diyas inside and outside our homes. These lamps are called Deepavali, and that's where we got the word Diwali from. All these lights represent the victory of light over darkness and the power of good over evil. Amazing, right? Moving on to foundation, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Neutral Tan, and I will be blending it all over my face for full coverage. This year, Diwali will be a little different for everybody. We won't be having huge gatherings and inviting people over, but there's always FaceTime, Messenger, and all these kind of things we're blessed with, so we can connect with all our family members and wish them a very happy Diwali. To highlight my face, I am going to use the NYX HD Photogenic Concealer right under my eye area, my forehead, top of my nose, lip area, and my chin area, and I'm gonna blend it to ensure that I get that flawless look which I'm looking for. To set my foundation and concealer, I am using the MAC Studio Fix pressed powder in the shade NC42, and I'm dabbing it all over my face, including my neck as well. To contour my face today, I'm using the bronzer from Lancome called Star Bronzer in the shade Brown Solitaire, and I am basically applying it right in the hollows of my cheek, by my nose area, and underneath my chin. To bake and set my face, I'm applying the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Banana Setting Powder, and I'm gently dabbing it on my skin. my face, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the shade Daydream. My favorite Milani Cosmetics line, and today I'll be using their shade number 11 called Precious. And everybody knows that I love matte lipsticks, and this is one of the best ones where it doesn't transfer, which is a huge plus point for me because I'm quite clumsy when it comes to lipsticks. To complete the look, I'll be using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And there you go, my loves. This is my Diwali makeup look, and hope you guys enjoyed it. If you love the content I create, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And I hope you guys have an amazing Diwali this year. Stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.